New York City, there's a lot of vacant rent-stabilized inventory, which is not on the market. It's not rentable, and the property owners aren't making it rentable. Why? Because the legislative environment disincentivizes that and doesn't make it possible. You've got apartments that need to be brought up to code before a new person moves in. You've got to do lead abatement. You've got to do new plumbing and electric. You've got to redo the interiors and paint. It all has to be done professionally with permits. You have to do it safely. You're in an occupied building. You can't be disturbing other neighbors. I mean, this is very, very expensive to do in New York City. You can imagine it's like $100,000 or $150,000 to renovate one of these apartments. And when you do that and spend that $100,000 or $150,000, you do not get a rent increase for doing that. If the old rent was $800 a month, the new rent's generally going to be right around that same price. I mean, you don't get to now mark to market. You don't get a vacancy decontrol in New York. It's the single biggest thing that has killed the New York City housing market. And New York City has a lot of problems with its housing market right now. This is one of the major reasons why.